And we've got a little bonus for you today. We got these Easter egg colors in just for this week. There's plenty of time to get them in, so make something cute for Easter. And they're all Easter egg colors. I love them next to each other. So let me show them each to you. This is a bubblegum color. Isn't it gorgeous? It's cotton poly. It's a stretch woven, but it has stretch in both directions. Like the most perfect sheath dress on the planet. Wouldn't that be adorable? Just a little sheath. So cute. Maybe a little jacket over it. This is 100% cotton. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. It just has all the little colors in it, pink and orange and white, and it's a shirting, so it's really two-sided. Great selvage if you should decide to use the selvage somehow, but 100% cotton. I didn't tell you that the best part about this all is today only. They're all $8.99. The goal is to get them in your hands. That's our goal. And we've got just a great selection here. This is a beautiful orange. Orange is everywhere, you guys. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see the little linear stripes in there. It's just, I mean, it's really pretty. This is a cotton poly, but you know, all of these, again, these polys are such low levels. They're just the really high cottons, and they're gorgeous fabrics. Now, this is not. This would be a higher poly. This is a cotton poly. It's a sheer. Isn't that beautiful? Great for sleeves, but you notice when anytime you have a sheer, if you double it, it's not sheer anymore. You can't see through it. See, look at, there are 2 layers now. So you could do 2 layers for a body and 1 layer for a sleeve. Cute little knit t-shirt. I think it's adorable. And that's a stretch lace, and it has stretch in both directions. And then our little Easter color, this little purple. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is a stretch woven. It has a beautiful drape. I mean, just a lovely drape. Just simply beautiful. Don't know what to say about it. If you felt it, you would buy it. That I can say. And then this beautiful sheer. But again, you can see 2 layers. You can't see through it. So if you did 2 layers for the front of the blouse and maybe back, and then you could open up for the sleeves. Isn't that beautiful? This is a cotton poly. Feels like a silk. But it is a cotton poly. Anytime you have a burnout, remember you have to have 2 fibers. So this is a cotton base and then the poly for the burnout. It's just gorgeous. And again, Easter is such a great springtime. We have an Easter egg selection of colors, and they're all today only $8.99. You guys go crazy. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.